And welcome back to The Factor Uncensored. Justin Bieber is putting the brakes on his world tour to take care of his own health. And a lot of fans are disappointed, but they're concerned about their celebrity. He announced he has a rare virus called Ramsay Hunt Syndrome in this online video. Now, if you look closely at the right side of his face there, you'll notice he's unable to blink or move his mouth on that side. Tonight, we're hearing from an Isaiah Factor DJ who's gone through a similar experience, along with a medical expert to explain it all.
So Isaiah, Ramsay Hunt syndrome is a reactivation of the same viral particles that are responsible for chickenpox and shingles. And so what happens is that these folks get chickenpox at a young age, and that viral particles remain dormant in the body. And for whatever reason, whether it be, and most commonly it's stress, there's reactivation at certain point in their as they age, and it affects different nerves. And so Ramsay Hunt syndrome is when the facial nerve, cranial nerve 7, that innervates your face is affected, and it causes that weakness and paralysis, similar to what we just saw in that video with Justin Bieber.
And so how debilitating is it, and how long will it last?
Yeah, it often lasts. It's very debilitating. Obviously, one side of your face is not working. You also get ear pain, and you also get this rash that's classically described as vesicles. And so it's very debilitating because it makes you difficult to swallow, chew, talk, have a normal conversation, or in Justin Bieber's case, have his singing career. Thankfully, if this is treated early enough with different antiviral medications and strong anti-inflammatory corticosteroids, what that will do is decrease the inflammation so that viral particles do not affect that nerve and cause long-term damage that can be debilitating to anybody that receives this.
Now, we have Isaiah Factor DJ Sneak here for a reason. It was only a few years ago, right before the pandemic, he was hit with Bell's palsy. Now, Dr. Ali, how close is Bell's palsy to Ramsay Hunt syndrome?
Yeah, so Bell's palsy is also an infection of the facial nerve, where that viral virus gets into that facial nerve. And so Ramsay Hunt is Bell's palsy and more. And that more portion is that ear pain, the vesicles, and so it is a little bit additional beyond just having the facial nerve paralysis.
And DJ Sneak, I can recall we were all at a crawfish boil one weekend, and it hit you out of the blue.
Yeah, it literally came out of nowhere. Someone pointed it out to me because they took a photo, and they're like, "Why is your face making that expression?" And I was like, "What are you talking about?" And I was smiling in the photo, and when I look, it's just one side of my face smiling, and the other one's just straight. And that's when I got scared, and I was like, I need to see what's happening. And they told me I had Bell's palsy.
And so how long did it last for you, and how much of a problem was it for you in your day-to-day duties in life?
Well, for me, it was pretty difficult because, working in the DJ scene, I have, seeing everyone around me and them seeing that half of my face isn't moving, everyone was bringing it up to me, and it was just really difficult. I can only imagine what Justin Bieber's going through, being at his start. It was.
Think, how long did yours last you?
I lasted about 3 weeks. Yeah, it took a while.
And of course, Dr. Ali, do you treat Bell's palsy the same way you treat Ramsay Hunt syndrome?
It's similar, Isaiah, in the sense that you do want to treat it with antivirals, and then also you want to figure out the cause of the Bell's palsy. Obviously, we know with chickenpox and also with Ramsay Hunt syndrome, it's a herpes zoster virus, and so we treat it with strong antiviral medications and strong anti-inflammatory medications. And oftentimes, Isaiah, these are the folks that end up having a lot of nerve pain, and so we treat it with neuropathic or nerve pain medications as well.
And Steve, did you have any actual pain, or did it just feel like paralysis in your case?
There was no pain. It was just really paralysis. The only thing that really affected me mostly was when I would try to eat, I could really just chew on one side stronger than the other.
And of course, any idea how long, obviously, he needs to be treated when it comes to Justin Bieber, Dr. Ali? Do you know how long that treatment will take before he's back to normal? Obviously, with Bell's palsy, it took DJ Sneak 3 weeks. How long do you think it will take with Ramsay Hunt syndrome?
That's typically, Isaiah, what we see is this 2 to 4 week, generally in terms of its affecting folks. And so that was about the time that it's evident for a Sneak as well. And so it's anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. It depends on how early you catch it and how aggressive you are with the treatment. So I'm sure he caught it fast and started antivirals pretty fast. And so I anticipate a pretty fast recovery. On top of that, he's otherwise pretty healthy and a young gentleman. And so I anticipate a pretty fast and complete recovery in his case.
All right, Dr. Danish Ali with Arch Point Pain Institute and DJ Sneak from Isaiah Factor. We'll get you back on, Sneak. We'll get you back on at some point.
Sounds good.
We want to thank you both for joining us here on the Factor Uncensored tonight.